Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A38 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down to find this kind of a ringtone or sound section. We can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the very first option. So let's tap on it. Of course, give all the permissions, and as you can see, after tapping, we've been transferred to this list with available pre-installed options from which we can choose. So what I wanted to say is that even though we do not have to pick something from those options, we can simply tap on this device, and here you will be able to find some music which you've previously downloaded from the internet or recorded, and set it as a ringtone, up to you. However, I'll pick something from those options, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So for example, this one, and of course it's too loud. So as I said, just tap on it and check whether you like it or not. And if you decide that you want to set this particular option, so for example this fresh morning, make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.